So in today's video, I will be showing you how I got this look with crochet hair. The crochet hair I used is this hair right here. It is by Zury. It is Bohemian Braid double strand crochet hair. The color I got is a 1B and it's 20 inches long. I've used this hair for, I want to say, a year or two, closer to 2 years, if not two, and I love this hair. This is by far the best curly crochet hair ever. There's a good amount that comes in each pack. As you can see here, if I did not cut it, it would be way down here, and I personally just feel like that is too much. I personally like how it looks when you cut it in half because I feel like it gives it a more natural look, and you don't have to buy as much hair to get a nice full effect. Applying it is extremely easy. There are tons of crochet tutorials out there, so I didn't personally do like a real tutorial per se. I'm just showing you what I did in order to get it like this. I go in with this mousse right here. It is by Vigorol. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I got the mousse for curls. When I'm putting in the hair, I go in every so often with the mousse and apply it all over just to make sure that there's a good enough amount of mousse. I go as far as to apply the mousse onto the hair, directly onto the hair, before applying it into my own hair because I don't want this to get too frizzy. So this is what I use, and I noticed that it helps this hair to hold up very well. This hair lasts. It's curly hair, so I'm sure, as you can imagine, it does take some maintenance. However, once this hair gets old, it looks a little bit more natural as well. You notice that when I get the 1B, it sheds a lot more than the other colors. The thing is that when I'm applying my hair, I'm not really slow because curly crochet hair like this takes a long time to install. I'm not gonna lie to you. So when I'm putting it in, I'm noticing that I don't really get all of the crochet hair onto the hook, and then when I hook it through and try to knot it, basically all the hair doesn't get knotted, and I end up having to pull those hairs that are not knotted into the actual braids out, and that's where the shedding is coming from. So if I did take my time, I'm pretty sure that I wouldn't have as much hair coming out, and it's not like it just flows out freely. It'll just start to get frizzy towards the ends, and all you have to do is pull it out. The shedding, all in all, is not too bad. It's not like it just falls out everywhere. It stays in the hair because it's curly hair. You have to physically take it out yourself, which I personally would rather, instead of it just falling all over the place. This hair can last. Now, I personally do not wear this hair for more than 5 weeks at a time. I do not like protective styling for more than 3 weeks. However, I know there are people out there who like to protective style for longer. My sister has gone as far as, I think, 2, maybe 2.5 months with this hair, and it's lasted. Like, this hair is really good, and that's because it's so kinky that it holds its curl. I don't like getting loose crochet hair because you wear it for maybe like a week and it's looking trash. I just feel like it turns out to be a waste of money when you buy the hair and it doesn't last for more than a week. It's not like a real protective style then, if you ask me, because you're basically going to be in your hair before you know it again. So that's why I really love this hair so much, because if you want a hairstyle that lasts, this is really the way to go. Now, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I've just bought this hair with my own money. Like, this is the hair that I swear by when I want to go for crochet, if it's not twist. If I want to go for curly hair, this is the hair I'm going for. I don't really like using any other brand because I notice when people use other brands, it doesn't last as long, and I ain't got time or the money for that. I don't know about y'all. Hair is $5.99 a pack. I originally started with 6 packs. I don't know why I always do this to myself. I know I got a big old head. I know I got a lot of hair. 6 packs is never enough to cut it for me, so I ended up having to use 7 in total, and I have an 8th pack waiting for me when I'm ready to start replacing hair so that it can look fresh again. So in total, it cost me about around 45 bucks for a style that can last you up to 2 months. I think that's a pretty good deal. Now, the cut on this hair is probably uneven. I did the best that I could, and I had my sister cut the back a little bit, just the long straggly pieces that were sticking out. But I did do a method where it was versatile, so I can flip the part if I want to. I can even do like a part on the other side if I wanted to. Once my edges start to come out, I can just brush them back over the knots that you see right in here, and it looks a lot more natural. This hair, you guys, is absolutely fire. I definitely think you guys should give it a shot. If you do, let me know how it goes, because guys, I'm telling you, I swear by this hair. If you want a video on how I maintain this hair, please don't be afraid to ask. Let me know down in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys, because I don't know about y'all, but I'm tired of seeing people walk around with nappy crochet hair. Like, it's not that hard to keep up with it and maintain it. There should be no reason why you crocheted your hair and a week later it's looking crusty, okay? Like, no, that naga make it. Take it out. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.